All right, so another question that we frequently get asked is, will the same maid or cleaner show up to my appointment every single time? And the answer to that is, well, it depends. We try and make sure that the same cleaner gets assigned to the same clients every time, just because one, they're going to be building that relationship with you, and it's a great experience to have the same person come back. Two, it helps the appointments go faster because, of course, they already know what you're dealing with, where your high priority areas are, as well as just they'll know their way around your house. That being said, from time to time, we do find it necessary to switch up the cleaners. Usually this is either because a cleaner is out sick, or maybe they've been injured in some way, or maybe another cleaner didn't show up and we've had to juggle around the schedule a little bit. In any case, we always do our best to try and make sure that we get the same person, but from time to time, it does happen where we need to send somebody else. And in those cases, we'll always do our best to try and make sure that you're aware that that's going to happen, especially if you have a strong preference. Now, all of that being said, if you have a strong preference for a cleaner and you only want that specific cleaner to come back each and every time, let us know. We can absolutely make a note of that on your client profile. And in those cases, we'll make sure that only that same person is assigned each and every time. And if for some reason we have to reschedule or that cleaner is not available, we'll make sure to get in touch with you before we actually do any reassignments.